In this video, I'm going over why you need to take a social media break and the benefits of taking a social media detox coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful discussional videos to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So, if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because it helps your boy out a lot. Also too, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's go. You find yourself less distracted. From a show of hands, how many of you actually check your favorite social media platform to see if you have new notifications, new friend requests, new follows, or to see your favorite people and see what they've been up to more than 20 times a day? I can't really see you raising your hand, but I know for a fact that most of you are actually raising them, or at least mentally raising them. Can you imagine the amount of minutes or even hours that you'll be saving? That's more time for you to focus on your task and being productive, and even to get more rest with your "I'm so tired, I don't know why" looking ass. You set your own boundaries. I'll admit, like social media on Facebook, it's filled with so much depressing shit. So many depressing things are being shared. Arguments about political views, animal cruelty, people bitching and complaining about every friggin' thing. So I mean, no wonder, it can make anybody feel depressed. Even if you remove those people from your social media account, the same negativity bullshit that will find their way to seep in and you'll pop up in your timeline. And then you'll be like, yo, why the hell am I still seeing this bullshit? But that's when you have to set your own boundaries. By setting your own boundaries, you're basically saying, hey. Not today, boy. Not today, Satan. You're not gonna ruin up my happiness. I'm the one controlling these boundaries. You can get the hell out of here. Get the hell out. Facts. Ooh, that's too hot. Seeking approval and a validation. Now, I made a video in the past where things that aren't self-care, and one of the things that I talk about is trying to prove yourself or to seek some type of recognition from people you don't even like. Now, that also applies to social media too as well. I'll definitely link up that video so you can check it out. The amount of energy or worrying about how many likes you have, how many followers you'll get, all that shit will go poof. When you take that social media break, no more worrying if Ginger happens to be watching your IG stories, or whether or not if you're getting close to 10K followers on Instagram. Another benefit from taking a social media break is you come back to reality. Social media has a tendency of showing the highlights of people's accounts rather than showing what actually goes on behind the scenes. If you know, you know. We believe that their lives are so perfect, that their skin is so flawless. Filters! Their whole lives are just immaculate. In reality, our lives are just fine. You know why? Because your life is a lot better than someone else's. It may require you to take a social media break in order for you to see that. Focus more on yourself. Now that you know that no one's life is all perfect, that doesn't mean that you can't focus on yourself and improve some qualities or even skill sets that you have in order to become a better version of you today. Yo, you got some weaknesses, you could work on them. You have some new skills that you want to develop and learn, you could work on them. By the time you're taking your social media break and you invest so much time on yourself in order to better yourself, you will be amazed how bossed up you'll become. By taking that social media break and to be able to improve on yourself, you'll actually be in the moment and you'll value it a lot more. And that's way better than any social media post. Okay, we are done. Man, shit, it took me so long to get that video finished. But we out here, boys, and they smooth skins. We playing Fortnite? In this video, I'm going over why you should take a people and see what they're doing. Let me do that over again.